welcome back to my channel. So I will be considering another IPO that is open for subscription today and closes for subscription today. That is Credo Brands Marketing Limited. So the Credo this IPO is actually open for subscription December 2019 and will close for subscription today, December 21. The allotment is expected on December 22nd and is expected to be listed in exchanges on Wednesday, December 27. So the price band for this IPO is from 266 to 280 per share, and the minimum lot for the investors is 53 shares, and the minimum amount for investments for retail investors 14,840 rupees. So regarding the lead managers for this issue is DAM Capital Advisors and ICICI Securities and Keynote Financial Services, and the link in time is registered for this issue, and the face value of this issue is 2 per share. So this is purely an offer for sale of this company, and they actually are the anchor the entire shares actually offered by offer investors. So the company will not be getting any shares amount from out of this issue. So this is a pure OFS issue. And regarding the company Credo Brands Marketing Limited, so they are actually a company that incorporated 99. They actually offer casual clothing for men's. They actually sell apparels in the flagship brand Mufti. So their product range includes in 1998 their product range included only shirts, t-shirts and trousers. Today the company offers a wide range of products like sweatshirts, jeans, cargos, chinos, jackets, blazers and sweaters. Their products are available in different categories, section relaxed casual wear for vacations, authentic everyday wear, urban casual wear, party wear and leisure wear. They operate as many as 1,773 retail outlets across India. They have 379 exclusive branded stores and 89 large format stores and 1,350 multi-brand stores in India. So their reach expands from major metropolitan cities to tier 3 cities also. As on March 2023, they have present in 582 cities across India. The company design team consists of 15 members. They made it possible to create more than 1,348 designs in the 2023 financial year. And regarding the financial performance of the company, in the FY21 they had a revenue of 261 crores and profit after tax 3.44 crores. This increased to 354 crores with the profit after tax increasing to 35 crores. Last year FY23 had a revenue of 509 crores and then a profit after tax 77 crores. The first quarter they had a revenue of 119 crores and profit after tax just 8.58 crores. So there is a dip in profit report in the first quarter FY24. So they are likely to have only around 35-40 crores net profit. The first quarter is an indication, and they are actually likely to report over 400 crores revenue this year. So there is some dip in revenues reported in FY24 as compared to FY23. But considering that they have a good large number of presence and they are actually likely to do well in future. Regarding the equity capital, EPS for FY24 is actually 0.54. The issue is coming at a price on multiple of 23.22. So, but based on the FY23 earnings, and we need to actually watch how the earnings pan out based on the earnings in the subsequent quarters. So the issue is likely to come at the price on a multiple of around 35 to 50 times based on the EPS expected of FY24. And regarding the oversubscription figures, it is already oversubscribed 12.6 times the retail segment, and the HNI segment already to 25 times. And regarding the grey market premium, currently it is actually having a grey market premium of around 145. So we can actually expect a listing of at least in the range of 430 levels based on the current IPO price of 260 to 280 per share. And regarding the review by most brokers have a subscribe rating in this IPO, and as many as 10 brokers have subscribe rating in the IPO. One has a neutral rating on this IPO. And regarding the review by Dilip Davda in their website chitoka.com, they have subscribe rating in the IPO. Anand Rathi Access has a subscribe rating in the IPO. BP Equities Dilip Davda has a subscribe rating in this IPO. Normal Bank also has a subscribe rating in this IPO. And regarding the review by Anand Rathi, they actually mentioned that the company provides wardrobe solutions for multiple occasions in the custom, and they actually launched the brand 25 years ago. And the organized apparel market expected to increase from 45% in FY22 to 60% by FY27. Western market actually contributes 95% total Indian apparel market, and 6% is contributed to ethnic wear market. And the cash-led business Western market is actually expected to have a CAGR growth of 22% as compared to 18% from FY22 to FY27. And to pace with the emerging trends, company's product mix has evolved over the years. They actually manufacture t-shirts, trousers, and they actually manufacture sweatshirts, jeans, cargo chinos, jacket, blazers, sweaters also across different product categories. They have different number of distributors and large format stores across India, as mentioned by me earlier. And the financials of the company is strong and the valuations of the company are reasonable in compared to listed peers. So that is why I have subscribed in the IPO. But the description of the business also mentioned here in this report. So they have large number of large formats, exclusively branded outlets and multi-brand outlets, and they actually have different product offerings for different customers, and they actually have a strong brand equity with the presence across categories. And they have a large number of followers on social media platforms also. They have 1,37,000 followers on Instagram page, 3.4 million followers on their Facebook page, and 15,000 subscribers on the YouTube channel. They have a scalable asset-light model and strong in-house design capabilities, very innovative and high-quality products with end-to-end supply chain capabilities. And key strategies, they expand the domestic markets in existing and new cities, and they actually added new stores as mentioned here, and they are planning to expand to tier 2, tier 2, 3 cities, and they plan to enhance their brand appeal to focus marketing initiatives, and they have a good social media presence also. And all these are actually positive for this company. So based on how far the revenue industry snapshot also mentioned, you can go through the report. So altogether, so there is a good review for this IPO in the many research reports. So they are actually an established brand with a large number of stores. Regarding the review by Dilip Davda on their website chittorgarh.com, they actually mentioned that they are actually one of the leading business providing wardrobe solution for men. They actually they actually operate on a third party contract model of business. They actually posted robust growth in the bottom line in 2022 and 23, and the well informed investors can actually perform for medium and long term rewards. And they actually they launched the brand 20 years ago, and the brand was created as an alternate dressing solution, and they actually had the organized market, retail market expected to grow in future. And they actually have branded distribution network. They have 807 touch points in 591 cities, and they have 224 employees on payroll and 193 in the contact person and various point of operations. The equity capital will actually increase to around 12.86 crores, will remain the same at 12.86 crores because this is pure OFS issue, and the company is trying to command a market of 1,805 crores. So based on the EPS expected for FY23, we can actually the price and multiple will be around FY20 52.53, and in FY24 earnings. And so based on the average price and based on the listed peers mentioned here as Aditya Birla Fashion, Go Fashion, Arvind Fashion, and Keval Kiran are mentioned as listed peers. So based on the oversubscription figures and the large number of stores that the company is actually having, the company can actually do well in future, and I'm actually expecting this company can actually do increase revenues in future and can actually retain add more stores in future. So there is a good based on the I'm actually expecting good listing for this company based on the oversubscription figures. So I'm planning to apply for this IPO. If you are also convinced about the future prospects, you can also consider applying.